Right, welcome everybody to this Polar how-to video. Today we're going to talk about adding users to groups so that they can see their sites. Right, so in previous videos we've discussed how the groups work and how to add sites. So now today we're going to show you how to add a user. So I've clicked on the groups page now, and I'm going to add a user to my new group test. Right, and we can see immediately that because I created this one originally, my details are here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to invite a user to this group. So important to note, you need to click on the group that you're wanting to add the user to. So now I'm going to invite a user to the group with a button on the top right. We're going to then send them an email, right? So I'm going to do demo@polarmonitoring.com. And if I click off the screen here, if they're already a user on the platform, you will see that I just get to send them an invite. Okay, so we can see if they're not a user on this group. So for interest sake, I'm going to add a fictitious email here, test2@polarmonitoring.com. It'll now ask me a bit more information. So I'm now going to give this person a name. I will then put in their phone number, and I can send them a welcome message so that when they get the email, they then understand what's coming for them. And finally, we're going to select the role. And in this case, I'm going to add this new user as a user only. For more information on the different roles and what they do, there will be another video that we will link into the description for that. Finally, I've selected him as a user, or this person as a user, and I'm going to click send invite. This will now send an invite to that person, and they will now have an email, which will then they can then click through to activate their account on the platform and get access to this group that we've created. And that is how you add a user to a group. So important to note that once I've sent the invite, they won't show up here on the list until they've actually accepted the invite. So once you have sent them the invite, it's important that this person goes and accepts the invite on their end before they will have access to the system and show up in this list of users.